Are we alone in the universe? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we really alone out there? I mean, with billions of galaxies, each holding billions of stars, many of which host planets. It almost feels arrogant to assume Earth is the only cradle of life. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of humanity's biggest questions. Is there life beyond Earth? We'll explore what scientists are doing to find it, what we know so far, and just how close we might be to answering the age-old question. Are we truly alone? The sheer scale of the universe. Let's start with some mind-bending numbers. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. Within that cosmic playground are roughly 2 trillion galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, contains about 100 to 400 billion stars. And thanks to modern telescopes like Kepler and TESS, we now know that most of those stars have planets. These are called exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. And guess what? As of 2025, we've confirmed over 5,600 exoplanets, with thousands more candidates under review. Some of them are in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for life. Statistically speaking, the odds of Earth being the only planet with life are, well, let's just say extremely low. How do we search for life? So how exactly are we searching for life beyond Earth? 1. The habitable zone. Scientists look for exoplanets in the habitable zone, not too hot, not too cold. These are places where liquid water could exist. Water, as far as we know, is a key ingredient for life. 2. Atmosphere scanning. Next, we analyze the atmospheres of these planets. Using tools like spectroscopy, astronomers can detect chemical signatures, like oxygen, methane, or ozone, that might hint at biological activity. 3. Biosignatures. We also look for biosignatures, indirect signs of life. Think of it like smelling cookies and knowing someone's been baking, even if you don't see them. Gases like nitrous oxide or unusual levels of carbon dioxide might indicate microbial or even complex life. 4. Radio signals. Oh yes, and we listen. Projects like SETI search for extraterrestrial intelligence, scan the skies for unnatural radio signals. So far, no alien Spotify playlists, but there was the mysterious WOW signal in 1977, still unexplained to this day. What about life close to home? Aliens don't necessarily have to be light years away. There are a few places in our own solar system that might host life, at least microbial life. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. That's right, a whole ocean. If there's heat from the moon's core, we could be looking at undersea volcanic vents similar to those that support bizarre ecosystems here on Earth. Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, shoots water vapor into space from cracks in its surface. Scientists have detected organic molecules in those plumes. Even Mars has surprised us. Evidence of ancient riverbeds, subsurface water, and seasonal methane emissions all raise eyebrows. NASA's Perseverance rover is currently hunting for clues in Jezero crater. Could life be really different? Now, here's a mind-bender. What if alien life isn't carbon-based at all? What if it doesn't breathe oxygen, drink water, or even live on planets? Some scientists speculate that life could arise in environments we'd consider completely hostile, like methane lakes on Titan or deep inside gas giants like Jupiter. There's even talk of silicon-based life, or plasma life forms that live inside stars. Point is, our definition of life might be too narrow. Life out there might be so alien that we wouldn't even recognize. Why haven't we found anything yet? If the universe is teeming with life, where is everybody? This is what we call the Fermi paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, it basically asks, if intelligent life is likely, why haven't we seen any signs? Some possible answers? We're early. Maybe intelligent life is rare and we're among the first. They're avoiding us. Think of Earth as the backwoods of the galaxy, not exactly prime vacation territory. They're too far. The universe is big, really big. Signals might just not have reached us yet, or vice versa. They're non-technological. Not every civilization invents radio telescopes or goes interstellar. We're looking wrong. Maybe they use technology we don't even understand yet. The future of the search. We're not giving up. In fact, we're ramping up. New telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Telescope will give us unprecedented views of distant worlds. JWST, for example, is already analyzing exoplanet atmospheres and has found hints of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and maybe even dimethyl sulfide, a gas produced by life here on Earth. Future missions like LUVOIR, HABEX, and Dragonfly, heading to Titan, are all in the works. Humanity is investing big in this quest. Because answering this question, are we alone, is more than just a science project. It's a defining moment in human history. Are we alone? The truth is, we don't know. Not yet. But we're getting closer. Every new planet, every strange signal, every icy moon we explore brings us one step closer to answering the question that's haunted us since we first looked up at the stars. Maybe the answer is out there, or maybe, just maybe, it's waiting for us to discover who we really are. Because sometimes, the search for alien life teaches us the most about our own.